Want me to take another one?
Yes, please. Okay? Right, now dramatic earthquake scene. So much fun, please.
Okay.
Yes! Or the chicken dance. Oh, we have chicken dance as well. Would you like to participate in all of these?
Random people I've ever met.
Thank you. Right, we go up there and then
fun.
do you want to record? Who wants to record? You go and record again and then do a Mexican wave. We've done the Mexican wave already. We did that in Hamleys. Right. Okay. Right, come on, we'll all go through the steps things and then just bash into each other screaming as an earthquake. It's very fun. Yeah. Plus, you much more dangerous. I guess so, the earthquake is way more dangerous.
I got punched in the face once when I was in a mosh pit.
Well, don't worry, we'll bash into each other screaming.
I mean, to beat up people in mosh pits, it's hilarious. I punched them and then walk off to make sure they didn't notice me.
Come on, we've got these steps, all of us. We'll do a dramatic earthquake scene. We're trying to beat the other team.
Where's the other team?
I don't know where they are. We went to try and take a picture of them, but we couldn't check them. Come on. Hold on, I'm going to put this down because last time I nearly broke it all because of Marvin slamming into me.
What did you buy?
Huh?
What did you buy?
Pride, Prejudice and Zombies book.
Oh, cool.
Which are actually quite interesting.
Yeah. Cool.
Thank you, new friends. And then got lots of Mad Hatter stuff from Amsterdam.
Oh, yes. Mad Hatter's cool.
Yes. Right, okay, right. 3, 2, 1.
Funny, that's random.
Would you like to do the chicken dance now?
Sure, why not?
Okay.
Kyle's up for the ending. I'll record it.
Ready?
Is it recorded?
What's another video we have to do? Ready?
Is it recorded in the now?
2, 3. Na 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 na. What the hell are you doing? Okay, I don't know, we need more. There's a list. We've done this all day, it's fantastic.
Mind if I put this up on YouTube?
Yeah, this will be on YouTube. Just search Mexican wave in Glasgow.
Okay.
And search, what was that? Dramatic earthquake scene in Glasgow. We didn't do it in
Cool.
front of KFC. Stupid. It's fine, it counts anyway.
Start a Mexican week.
We'll just say it's in KFC.
Yeah, exactly. Would you like to do Mexican wave with us now?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Okay, Mexican wave. So you go
Are you joining in at all?
I don't know, I don't think Holly is, but...
Record this.
What do you do?
Just hold it there.
And the red button?
Holly?
It's recording, so you
Fine.
Oh, 2 Hollies, I knew that.
Ready?